solving multi-step inequalities today. We'll do a couple problems together. Woohoo! Let you get that copied down. All right, so the difference between last week and this week, we kind of zoom in on number one there. Solving each inequality and graphing the solutions on the number line. We're going to start by subtracting our 12. Just kind of go through the same process as we would when we solved equations. And then divide by 3. We get x is equal to or is less than 2. Okay? There we go. How many got that? All right. And then we have to graph it. Is it an open or closed circle? Open. Tell your neighbor why it's open. Okay. So Bobby, what do you think?
Well, because it doesn't have the line underneath it, which would mean it's equal to.
Good. If it's missing the equal to part, then it's an open circle. So that means, is 2 a potential solution for this? Yes. How many say 2, this is a solution for it? How many say it's not a solution? 2 is not a solution. All right, talk to your neighbor. Why is 2 a solution or why is it not a solution? Why is it or why isn't it, or why is or why isn't 2 a solution? Is 2 a solution? Who says yes? Who says no? Okay, why is 2 not a solution? It's not a solution, you're right. Why is it not a solution? Let me do this. If I say x can be 2, if I put 2 in here, that says, everyone tell your neighbor what that statement right there says. Okay, someone read it off to me. What is it? Come on, man. Brennan.
X is less than 2.
X is less than 2, okay? And we put the 2 in for x. So now what's it read? So 2 replaced x, so now we say 2 is less than 2. Is that true? You sure? 2 is not less than 2? No, it's equal to 2. So that's why it's not a solution, okay? When I plug that value in, it doesn't work. So that's why we put that open circle. Okay. We got that? I'm going to ask the question again here in a while. You guys should be able to explain why. When your friend calls you up tonight and they're doing this in another class and they say, dude, why don't I put a closed circle? You can tell them. Use your math vocab. Okay. All right, everyone try number 3. All right. Marie, what's the first step? Subtract 13. Good job. Okay. All right. What's that leave me with on this side here? Negative 2p. Good. Okay. And on this side? Negative 6. All right. Divide by negative 2. Okay. All right. So, on this side, Patrick, what am I left with? 3. And on this side, Parker, what am I left with? P. Okay. And Jennifer, what symbol do I have here? Yeah, it's a greater than symbol. It flips over, right? Tell your neighbor why it flipped. All right. Toki, why did it flip?
Because you divide by negative.
Yeah, when you divide or multiply by negative, we flip that sign. All right. So we're going to graph it. 0 or 3. Everyone, open or close?
Open.
Open. That wasn't everyone. Everyone, open or close?
Open.
Oh, y'all can all say open. Okay. Which way do I shade? Right or left? Right. Left. Everyone point in the direction you're shading. Some of you like in that way. Point both ways. Okay, so we're going to shade this direction. Correct. Now, if you struggle seeing that, remember you can always put 0 in. Is 3 greater than 0? The answer is yes. Therefore, you have to shade over the top of 0. 0 is the solution. If you want, you can move it around and put the P here and the 3 there, and then note the arrow is pointing at P, so when you move it around, arrow has to be pointing at P. And then when the variable's on your left, it shades in the direction it's pointing. Remember, variable has to be first then. All right. Any questions there? All right. What does it mean when you have an open circle on 3? Yeah? 3 is not less than 3. Yeah, if we put 3 in, 3 is not less than 3. 3 is not a solution. Is -2 a solution? Okay, tell your neighbor why or why not -2 is a solution. Okay, who says it is? -2 is a solution. Who says nope, it's not? Okay, who's not sure? All right, everyone put -2 on that graph. Plot -2 on the same graph as your answer. All right, so -2 goes about right there. How many say, yep, -2 is a solution? I say, nope, it's not. How many aren't sure? Okay, so why am I, when I'm shading, remember I'm shading all potential solutions. So -2 is a solution. We put -2 in here, -2 is less than 3. Right? It's a true statement, therefore it's a solution. Okay? So, tell your neighbor, is -1 a solution? How many say, yep, it's a solution? Nope, it's not a solution. Not sure. Okay, is 1 a solution? Tell your neighbor yes or no. Yeah. JC, is 1 a solution? Yes, how come? You're right. It's a solution, but how come? So JC, what if I put a 1 right here? What's that statement say? So we got 1, right? What's this say? Points to the left is? It's less than, right? 1 is less than 3. Is that true? Yeah, so therefore it's a solution. What's another reason it's a solution? Brennan? It's in the shaded region. All right, tell your neighbor, is 7 a solution? All right, Lily, is 7 a solution? No. No, how come? Can't be past 3. So like on your graph, it would be over here. It's not in the shaded area. If I put it here, is 7 less than 3? Nope. Therefore, it's not a solution. Okay, so guys, now that we know how to come up with the solution, you need to be able to interpret them. And that's what I'm trying to get at right there. Okay? So if you're not getting that as we're doing this, you need to